Updating your credit card information on Samsara is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Samsara website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, locate the Billing or Payment Settings section in your account menu. This is typically found under Account Settings or a similar category. Step 3. Select Payment Method. In the Billing Settings, find the option to manage or update your payment methods. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new credit card information. Input your new credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on Samsara. Regularly checking your payment details can help prevent any disruptions in service.